Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to accept employees' resignation requests. In the company, when an employee resigns online, his/her resignation request goes to his/her supervisor first, and if his/her supervisor approves this request, then it will go to HR for acceptance. Before all of this, please check you must have rights to accept employees' resignations request. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Triggers from your left-hand side menu. It is the first option. Click on Confirmation Trigger. Click on Exit HR Acceptance. In the list view that you click on checkbox against the employee name whose request you want to accept. Now change if you needed, and enter reason for leaving. And save.